How to use layers in Canva. So hey guys, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how you can use layerings for different elements in your Canva design. So as currently you can see that I have opened this presentation design in my Canva application, and in order to demonstrate, let me start by adding some random images. So in order to add some stock images, I'm going to click onto this elements tab at the left hand side. Now from here, let me add some images. So for example, let's say this image right here, and then let me add some more images of cars. So for example, let's say this image as well. Now, as here you can see that we have these two images right on top of each other. So let me resize it a little bit. And now for some reason, you can see that and now you can see that we have these two elements on top of each other. So what layerings come into play is that, for example, if I want this image of the red car just below, or let's say just under this black photo, then what I can do is simply select any of these elements. So for example, let me choose this red color car and then right click onto this, and from here you can see this option of layer, and you need to hover your cursor over it and it will give you these options. So since currently the red car is at front, we have these two options, which is to send it backwards or send it to back. So if you want to send it to backward, you can click onto this backward image, and here you can see that now this red car is appearing behind this black car photo. So also you have another option. So for example, if you have multiple photos, like let me add this blue car as well. And now I want this blue car to be present in between these two images. So I want this blue car to be present just between the red car and this black car. So what I can do is simply click this blue car, hit the right click, and then from here under the layers, I can click onto this send backward. If I click on to send backward, you can see that it appears between these two images. Or else, if I want this blue car to be present at the very last, even below the red car or at the extreme last, what I can do is simply right click again, hover my cursor to layers, and then choose send to extreme back. So here you can see now that now it is appearing at the far extreme back. And now similarly, if we try to reverse this, what I can do is simply click onto this blue car again, and now let me move it to between these two cars again. So what I can do is right click again, hover my cursor over to layers, and choose this option that says bring forward. Once I will do this, you can see that now it is appearing between these two images. And now to make this particular image appear at the most front, what I can do is simply right click again, go to layers, and then choose bring to front. So simply click on to bring to front, and here you can see that now it is coming at the extreme front. Now the steps are always the same for any type of element, be it a shape, photo, video, or a graphic like this. So that's all about layering in Canva. If this video was helpful to you, consider giving this video a like. Do tell us in the comments how it went for you, or if you have any suggestions or questions to ask, then ask them in the comment section. And also don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more such exciting and helpful video content. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.